Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's quick tutorial, we're diving into how to add Discord to Google Authenticator for extra security in 2025. With cyber threats on the rise, two-factor authentication is a must-have, and pairing Discord with Google Authenticator is a straightforward way to protect your account. If you're new to this, don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the Google Authenticator app installed on your phone. If you don't, head to your App Store, search for Google Authenticator, and download it for free. Once that's done, open the Discord app on your device and log in to your account. Next, click on the gear icon in the bottom right corner to access your user settings. Scroll down to the My Account section and look for Enable Two-Factor Auth. Click on that. It might ask for your password again for security reasons. Now, you'll see an option to set up an Authenticator app. Select that, and Discord will generate a QR code on your screen. Switch back to your phone and open the Google Authenticator app. Tap the plus icon to add a new account, then choose to scan a QR code. Point your camera at the QR code on your computer screen, and the app will automatically add Discord as a new entry. If scanning doesn't work, you can manually enter the code provided below the QR code in Discord. Once that's added, Discord will prompt you to enter a code from the Google Authenticator app. Open the app on your phone, find the Discord entry, and type in the 6-digit code that appears. Hit verify, and boom, you're all set. Your Discord account now has an extra layer of protection. One quick tip: make sure to write down your recovery codes that Discord provides, in case you lose access to your Authenticator. That's it for this guide. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe online, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.